Okay, so this time I'm doing a pre-recorded video, and we'll see what happens, y'all. So this is just testing, trying out my camera, the recording part of it, the video of what I'm trying to say, and see how it does, see how I do when I upload it to YouTube. So I'm out here at another location at the beach, the ocean here. Because the lives wasn't hitting it so far. It wasn't getting it because it kept pixelating. So I hope it's not pixelating now. When I play it back, I'm gonna see if it's gonna pixelate. I mean, if it was pixelating. I'm sorry, you all. I did not tell you all welcome. Welcome, 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 you guys, once again to another video of mine. I am your mother, your grandmother, your great-grandmother, your sister, your auntie, your cousin, your friend. Welcome you back to another video of mine. Yes, I was doing the live, and my phone kept messing up, it kept pixelating, so now I'm doing the pre-recorded videos to upload it to YouTube, and I hope it don't take me 12 and 24 hours to do that. So I apologize for the poor visual of my live videos, or my live streaming, and so I have to work on getting a better device to record from and to live stream from. This phone is not cutting it no more. Nope. It's interfering with the visual because I really want you all to see somewhat of what I see. I know it's nothing better than being in person, seeing it with your own eyes, but at least when you have clarity in your the visual, it kind of helps. Yeah, I know what I'm saying. My brain is kind of slow today because, like I said, I'm tired. I have my good days, I have my bad days, you know, so today is a slow, sluggish day. Shit. Oops, sorry, y'all. Something touched me on my arm. I'm out here tripping. That was you? Oh, hell. You guys taking a break? These are my roofers, you guys. They doing my roof for me. Hey, you got me on that one. Hey, how you guys gonna come down? Y'all not afraid of that water coming up? Oh, look at that dirt. That soil.
Soil, black soil.
Yay, right on. That's the best soil. That black soil. Straight up. Y'all see that soil?
I wanted to buy, but this place is too dirty.
Ah. Yeah, it's too dirty. It's too much coming up. You probably have to go further down that way. Because I see people like down there on the rocks and down there all the time bathing.
Where the coconuts are.
Yeah, and on this side of the coconut, yeah. On this side of that brick fence, yeah. Wall. Yeah. So it's cleaner over there than over here. Trust, it's much cleaner. Because you see over there it's even dirtier, but as you go down it gets cleaner, 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 cleaner. Then when you get down there it's
This is the beach side.
Well, hey, I don't know. I'm new over here just as well.
You are new here. Mm-hmm. So you came like how many months now?
Since 8 months. Mm-hmm.
From
Sacramento, California. Sacramento. Sacktown, Sacramento, California.
California.
USA. Yeah, and I don't have the coronavirus either.
Oh. As far as you are not afraid of that virus.
Look at all that melanin you got. You shouldn't be.
Oh no, me, I'm not afraid of coronavirus. Because I know that even when someone is affected and the person even touches me or sniff on me, I think I will not get it. That's my belief.
Well, you got a strong belief.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, your melanin helps protect you too.
But when I go to USA now, I'm going to be afraid. Because it's over there very much.
Yes. Hey.
Okay, mommy, we are going to the other side.
Okay, I'm gonna follow you guys. Wait a minute now. I don't know. I don't know now. I might slip down and fall. This sand is so soft. That might go down into the waters. It might be quicksand.
Mommy, I think this place is
solid. Okay. Whoa! I said I wasn't gonna come down here to this beach because the water comes all the way up and hits against the rocks. Have you all seen that before?
So do you also have beach in your place?
Yeah. On our side it's called the Pacific Ocean. And this side is the Atlantic and the Gulf of Guinea. Whoa, look at there. Y'all gonna take a chance to walk all the way down there on the other side? Yeah. Well, y'all go in. I'm scared.
You are scared?
Yeah. Because I know the water comes all the way and hits up here. I recorded it the other day. As you can see, the waves brought all this trash.
Come with strong waves. The waves are strong. The waves.
Yeah.
So it's the waves that break this.
Yeah, the waves brought it. Yeah, and it did all, and it broke off the wall. You see that wall right there? It broke it off. The waves did that. It's taking back its earth. But I see y'all later. Bye. So y'all taking a break? You gonna come back and finish the roof? All right. Yeah, I was gonna go down there, y'all, but I'm chicking out. I know what them waves can do. They sneak up on you. They are my roofers. They're doing my roof for me. Hey, he walking out there. That trash might trap him.